Hello everyone of class 7 standard. Today we'll just start the numericals of the physical quantity and measurement, the first chapter. Okay, few numericals maybe I have told in the online classes. Now today we'll start the numericals from 4 only. Okay, some have messaged that few problems they are having. So the fourth numerical is given. If you have the book, you can see from there that 2.75 kg sample of substance occupies the volume of 250.0 centimeter cube. Find the density in gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now here the question is given that mass is given is equal to 2.75 kg. Okay. And the volume is given is equal to 250 centimeter cube. 250.0 means only 250, that one. You have to calculate the density of that one. Okay, this is the question. Now here if you see that one, this volume is given in centimeter cube, so in CGS system, but the mass is given in SI system. Okay, so you have to convert that one into gram. So you know that one, this is actually, so 1 kg is equal to how much gram? 1000 gram you can write. So in this place you have to write that 2.75 into 1000, or simply 10 to the power 3. 1000 means 10 to the power 3, same thing. Okay, so that much of gram it will be converted, because this is the bigger unit, this is the smaller unit. So from bigger to smaller as you are going, so you have to multiply by some decimals. Okay, so this is actually the thing. Now density is equal to what? Now solution according to the question, if you know that density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, that is the formula, we all know that. So mass is equal to how much is given, this one, because I have just converted into the gram unit in same system of units, and this is 250. Okay, so from here 1 0 2, that means 10 to the power 2 will come. 100 means 10 to the power 2 will come. So this one can be written as 1 0 2 0. So this one will be cancelled from here, because this is 2 here, 1 here. So 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 3 is already here. Now if you cancel this one by 5, if you cut that one, then 5 will come, 55, and this one will be 11. So 11 unit. Now that is very important. Unit is what? Unit will come from these two things. The unit of this one is gram already, and the volume unit is centimeter cube as we are using, so that will be gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so gram per centimeter cube, 11 gram per centimeter cube, or simply you can write down 11 gram centimeter to the power minus 3 will be the answer of that one. Okay, so this is the numerical. Maybe you all understood that one. That is very easy one. Okay, all the things are given, only one change you have to do, that this one. Next question number 5. In question number 5, here two types of numerical may come. One is related to the density, and second one is related to the speed, because these two physical quantities are present in your syllabus. Question is given that under certain condition oxygen gas O2 has density. So the density of oxygen gas O2 is equal to given how much? That is 0.00134. Okay, gram ml to the power minus 1. That means gram per ml. Find the volume occupied by 250 gram of oxygen under same condition. Okay, so 250 gram. Okay, that means so volume you are going to calculate. Mass is given 250 gram. Okay, you have to calculate the volume of that one. So this is actually the condition. The density of oxygen is given this one, then mass is given this one. You have to calculate the volume of that one from only one formula. Now thing is that in this case you have to first check the thing that whether these two are in same system of units or not. Gram both are there, so no need to change anything. Ml is there, so it's okay. Now the volume, so volume will come in milliliter only. So density is equal to what? Mass by volume, or you can write down that volume is equal to mass divided by density. This is the formula. From here you can write down. So volume is equal to how much it is coming? That mass is given 250 and divided by this one 0.00134. So from here 1 2 3 4 5, so if you just replace that one 1 2 3 4 5, then here you have to write down 10 to the power 5. So definitely it can be written as 250 divided by 134 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, 10 to the power 5. So from here if you see that one, then this volume will come in this way. Okay, so if you divide that one, then 1 point something will come. So that will be the answer. The required answer will come in milliliter. So calculation I am doing that, not doing here because this will be wastage of time. So you just divide that one, the answer will definitely come from here. So now we are coming to the next numerical, that is the question number 6. From here you can see that what is question number 6 is actually given over here. That question number 6, if you see, then there is a find the volume that 35.2 gram of CCl4, that's carbon tetrachloride, that is actually will occupy if it is density is given this one. So volume mass is given how much? 35.2 gram is given. Okay, and the CCl4 it has the density is equal to how much it is given? 1.60 gram ml to the power minus 1. So from here what you are going to calculate, that is the find the volume. So find the volume. So you know that one, that density is only one formula is there, that is mass by volume, or from here you can write down that volume is equal to mass divided by the density. So from here the mass is just put the values of this one, check whether they are in same system of units. So they all are in same system of units. So 35.2 divided by the density, that is 1.60. Okay, so from here 10 will come, from here 20 will come. So 10 can be cancelled, 20 can be cancelled. So from here if you just do that one, so 35 352 divided 16, so 22. Okay, like that it will come. Is that the answer? Yes, 22 ml, that will be the volume, sorry, gram per ml. Gram per ml will be the volume of the, sorry, density of this one. Density of this, no, the volume of that, they are going telling that the volume from here. So volume of that one will be 22 ml. That will be the answer. Okay, this one. So this is the question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. That the density of ethanol is given this one. So ethanol density is given how much? 0.789, okay, gram per ml. This is the density. Okay, find the mass of the sample of ethanol that has the volume is equal to 150 ml. So volume is given 150 ml. You are going to calculate the mass of that one. So we know that the density is equal to mass by volume, or from here you can write down that mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, so from here if you just do the calculation, then just simple multiplication, they all are in same unit, system of units. So 0.789 into 150. So from here you can just cancel this one, so then definitely 1000 will come. So this one will come. So 789 into 15 if you multiply, then what the value will come from here? I am not doing this one, that 180.35 gram. This result will come. You just simple multiply that one, then divide by 100, then definitely this result will come. So that will be the mass of this one. Now come to the question number 8. That an airplane flies, this is related to the speed of a body. Okay, an airplane flies a constant speed. So speed of the body is given how much? 720 kmph. Okay, this is the speed of the body. How long it will take to travel a distance of this? So distance is given 360 kilometer. How long means, how long it will fly, that means time you are going to calculate. So formula is what? That speed is equal to, solution we are doing here, speed is equal to distance by time, or here d is not density, d is the distance. Okay, just don't be confused on that one. So t is equal to what? Distance divided by the speed. So distance is equal to what? 360 divided by this one, that means 720. So 0.5 second will be the answer. Okay, or half second you can just, or hour, they are telling that one in hours, so hour you can write out. Rest all you will do, try to do at home only. Okay, if any doubt then tell me, then I will try to solve that one. Thank you.